You should have just worked number 9 on the practice on your own worksheet, and your 3 answers for x should have been 0, 4, and -3. Again, if you are not getting these answers correct, it's not okay. You need to figure out where you're going wrong and fix it. Last problem. Again, this one is not equal to 0, so you need to start by getting everything moved to the left-hand side and making it equal to 0. You want it in standard form, so this time this 8k is just going to go on the end, so that it'll be k to the third, k to the second, k to the first. So you have your 6k to the third minus 8k to the second, and when this moves over it gets a sign change, so it turns negative, and there's nothing left on the right hand side. Next, you should look for a GCF, which there is one, and I'm going to give you a minute to decide what it is. Did you decide on a GCF of 2k? Because that's the largest number that will divide into all 3 of those. Kind of felt like it should be 4 because of these 8s, but 4 can't divide into 6. So you're dividing 6 divided by 2, 3k's taking out 1, -8 divided by 2, 2k's taking out 1, and -8 divided by 2, 1k taking it out, no k's left. So now you're ready to factor this one. Since there is something in front of the x squared, we're going to bump it to the end and use the bottoms up method. So when I multiply this -4 by this 3, my end number is going to change into a -12. So now I need 2 factors that multiply to make -12, and the same 2 factors have to add to make -4. So you're looking to find what times what makes -12, but at the same time adds to -4. I'll give you a second to think about that. Did you come up with -6 and 2? Because -6 times 2 is -12, and -6 plus 2 is -4. I just set the mood for algebra, I guess. My lights went out. 2k, parentheses, k squared. For the -12, we're using -6 and plus 2. Now remember, we use the bottoms up method here, so I need to go ahead and put those bottoms back and decide what my trinomial factored into. My bottom number was a 3. 6 over 3 does reduce to 2. 2 over 3 does not reduce, so go ahead and move that bottom number to the top. And you're ready to get your answers for k. Again, 3 answers because you have k in 3 places. One here, and one here. This answer for k will be 0. This one will be 2, since 2 minus 2 makes 0. And this one, opposite sign over 3, so -2 over 3. 3 answers for k. You need to work number 10 on your practice worksheet, and your teacher has the answer for number 10, so be sure to check it before you leave. You're going to take one last quiz over this tomorrow, and we highly recommend that if you cannot do these with confidence, you watch all of these videos again and you continue practicing until you can ace this quiz tomorrow.